These all are. Look at the Dutch Star. Wait, hold on, Piper. Jeez, she's too fast.
It's stunning in here. No, Mom, you're staying.
It's stunning?
Yes.
How is it stunning in here?
You're funny.
Okay, it's already buckled.
Yeah?
Oh, it is stunning in here,
Mommy,
Piper. I
Piper,
have them right there. Don't worry.
Piper. This will come down and turn into a bed.
Ooh.
How much
I know,
is
push
the
her.
bed?
What?
229,000. No. She- Decent closet space.
Ooh, TV. Not hitting me. I want to see the bathroom.
Very cramped bathroom.
Ooh, I want to see the pink.
Bedroom's doable, but it fails in the bathroom.
Come on, first.
Wait, wait.
You want to do the Dutch Star?
That one right there.
Yep. I wonder where the seatbelts are.
Well, the seatbelts will be tucked in behind.
Oh, goody. I don't like this bathroom.
It's the half bath, Piper. Here.
What's a half bath?
This is exactly what it is. It's a half bath. See?
Oh, I know.
Get it?
Ew. It's like, I just like see toilet.
I don't know why you have to open every toilet.
Paper in the middle of the toilet.
Okay.
Because someone used it.
I think it's nice. How much? This is nice. Here.
I want.
This little table.
Yeah, I like the controls. I think going from our pusher to this would be a lot more
Piper.
high tech.
Yes, it would.
There's a TV, Dad.
Yep. All right, come on.
Come on. Oh, that's Daddy's TV. And he's driving.
Oh my God. Kind of the same floor plan as the last one we looked at, Miss Piper.
Yeah.
Ah, you hiding in the half bath?
Yeah. Ooh, it's a half bath.
Yes, because the big one's in the back, the master.
Where's the shower?
In the back.
And what are these?
That's just access to the engine. The engine's under there. The motor.
2 toilets. Red. Bet this one red too. Nothing. Red and nothing.
Okay.
Wasn't that bad?
Mm-hmm. I love the colors of this one though.
Oh.
We're coming, Piper. Hi, how you doing? Not too bad. I like how this is kind of blocked
Where's
off.
my
Oh, look at
Do you know where my bed is?
Your
Oh,
bed.
sorry.
This doesn't have a bunk there, kiddo.
No.
I meant up there.
No, it has to just be up there. Ooh, nice.
Nice. I don't know how to read. Oh, how nice.
Yeah.
What was in that one?
Washer dryer.
Oh.
Ooh, I'm gonna try
It's
to
a little.
do it.
Oh,
it
Piper,
goes
yeah, you would
up.
have your bed at least above
Oh,
the cab,
it goes up. This
Yeah.
is a little short.
Butterfly!
so she could have the bed up there.
Get out of here!
Okay, Piper, no running.
Come on.
No running. Leave
So
it
yeah,
alone,
so
girl.
she could have that.
Yeah.
I like how this is though,
seatbelts,
because it
yay.
kind of just it
But
kind of breaks up the coach.
I'll
What
stay there.
do you think?
I love the books.
Yeah.
Does this come out or no?
I don't know if it'll extend anymore. And there's probably a TV in there. There's probably a televator.
Oh.
See the opening? Yeah. So there'd be a TV
I
there.
don't have any paperwork.
It's about a boy
I thought it was
taking a bath.
over here. Well, you're not.